Welcome to Jason Markk Sneaker Care 101. This is Ask Elwood, where I, Elwood, answer your questions from the internet. So let's get started. The Dish on Beauty on Twitter asks, your brush fucked up my Nike shoes. Never again using your product. So we're sorry to hear about that. You might have used the wrong brush on the wrong material on your Nike shoes. So it just depends on which one you use. So we do have two different types of brushes. We have the standard brush, which is probably the one that fucked up your shoes. And then we have the premium brush, which is good for delicate materials. So something like suede, nubuck, mesh, canvas. So I'm gonna guess that you used the standard brush on a mesh shoe and then it got fucked up. So that's probably what happened. If not, reply back to us, send us a DM about your shoes, and then we'll try to fix your shoes or like figure something out with you, okay? Let's get rid of these brushes. On Twitter, EA Dolce de Leche asks, hello, does Repel work on genuine leather? So our Jason Markk Repel, it's good for using it on absorbent materials such as like suede, nubuck, mesh, canvas, fly knit, prime knit. So something that's absorbent. Leather isn't an absorbent material, so then you don't really need to use it on leather because let's say it's raining, raindrops kind of just fall off the leather anyway, so you don't need that. But if you're gonna wear like your Ultra Boost or something, your socks are gonna get wet, so then I don't recommend using it on leather, but something absorbent, I recommend it. On Reddit, Aroka Chobi asks, how to clean the new Yeezy Static Reflectives without scrubbing off the 3M from the prime knit. Is there a way? So the 3M on the Yeezy Static Reflectives right here, it's actually embedded into the prime knit. So it's nothing that's gonna flake off or anything. So you should be fine with cleaning those shoes. I just recommend using the right brush, so the premium brush, and you should be good to go. So Underclock on Reddit asks, how to clean Jordan 1 laces. Last time I did, they got super f***ed up. I'm not too sure how you can mess that up unless you clean it with like a pair of scissors or acid or something. So then how I typically clean laces is I use the Jason Markk solution right here. And then you get the pair of laces, you put it in your hand and you just run the sink and you kind of just run this under the water, like let it soak up, do like a Birdman hand rub. What happened to that boy? Like 2 minutes. And then pretty much after it's all nice and wet, and then you want to see some of the dirt, you know, like in the foam too, after you squeeze it out. Then you rinse it under the water, making sure all the solution's out from the laces. Afterwards, you would get a microfiber towel and then wring it out, making sure there's no excess solution or water stuck in the laces. And then let it air dry for a couple more minutes and then you should be good to go. Bryce Stins on Instagram asks, send me a kit, I'm about to run out. We can definitely do that for you. All you gotta do is just go on our website and input your PayPal or credit card info, and then we'll send it to you in like 3 to 5 business days. All right, Kick Game James asks, foam or the standard solution? I'm out and I need to re-up, but I don't know which one to go with. Please don't say either one is good. I never used the foam, but I knew the new solution works well. The new solution, it's ready to use. All you gotta do is just pump it and then apply directly onto the shoes and clean. As opposed to using this, you need a bowl of water and you kind of just go in with this one. I like to use the standard solution because it's good for like cleaning all types of stuff. It handles more surface area, like let's say you're cleaning an absorbent shoe, like a pair of Yeezys. If you were to use the foam, it doesn't really absorb too well. So this is mainly made for like quick cleaning. So like your Jordan 1s, your Stan Smiths, like your midsoles. So something like real quick and easy. But both really work well. It just depends on which one you use. So it's different in each situation. So Gary777 on Instagram asks, why does the Jason Markk cleaner make Nike SB soft suede hard and lose the original texture? So suede is actually a tricky material to clean up. It's probably one of the hardest ones, to be honest, because we like that buttery softness, and sometimes it gets lost if you clean it up or it comes in contact with water. So what I like to recommend is our Jason Markk Suede kit. it comes with this brush and an eraser. If you're in the event that you do have any crispy suede, you would want to use the eraser and kind of just brush it, erase it, back and forth. And then use the brush intermittently and kind of just switch back and forth between the two until the suede gets to your liking. But moving forward, if you were to clean suede, I do recommend the R2U foam. That's good for like cleaning suede. All right, so this question comes from efkgram.swag. How do you take care of insoles? Insoles are really an underlooked part of the shoe because your feet are on it all day and it starts to smell, there's bacteria buildup, and there's a lot of moisture and stuff if your feet get sweaty. So typically we like to use these cedar and also these Moso charcoal inserts for the shoes. They're really good at absorbing like odors and like moisture too. So I typically just shove it inside the shoes after wearing it all day and then just let it chill like 24 hours and stuff. And then yeah, the smell should be neutralized and you should be good to go. That wraps up our episode of Ask Elwood. My name is Elwood, and if you thought this video was helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We do have a Sneaker Care 101 page where you can ask me a question directly, and then I'll answer it for the next episode. So yeah, visit our page right here, link in bio.